Hello friends, today I am going to be sharing with you guys all about how I prep all about reading level 1. Friends, I'm so glad to have you back. Today I'm in our playroom / schoolroom, and I didn't even bother to clean it up for you guys today because honestly, I'm just trying to survive right now. And I'm just trying to get some stuff done and prepare for our new school year. This is pretty much the first day I've been working on back to school stuff, and it's a lot. It's a little bit overwhelming, but I'm just gonna take it slow, do a little bit at a time. We still have a few more weeks until school starts back. So I'm just gonna kind of take it slow and just do a little every day and bring you guys along for what I'm prepping and getting ready for. So I just ran to Walmart and grabbed a few supplies that I needed to prepare for the All About Reading course. I am so excited to start All About Reading this year. This will be our first year trying it out. We are gonna try it with my 7-year-old who is a little bit struggling in reading, and I really think it's gonna help him tremendously. And I just wanna set us up for success. So I am gonna prep this the way that I saw 5 Girls Schoolhouse. I think that is her Instagram handle. I'll try to put it here for you guys. But I saw her do this over on Instagram. This is how she preps her All About Reading course. And I thought it was like brilliant. And it's a way that you can reuse it with every child. And it just seems like it would be a lot easier. So I'm going to try that because I really feel like we're going to use this course with multiple kids. And so I want to have it prepared for that if we do want to reuse it. And so I'm going to show you how I do that. I'm going to bring you over to the school table and show you the supplies that I got and kind of what you need to make it happen. All right, guys. So I have All About Reading Level 1. I have the activity book. I have all of the cards. And then I have the teacher guide. So the teacher guide, I don't need to do anything with. I'll put that over there. Oh, I also got the All About Reading box. And then what we're going to use are these sheet protectors. I just bought the 100 pack from Walmart. And then you need a 1.5 inch binder. I just grabbed this one from Walmart. And then some paper clips also from Walmart. You also need these little square baggies, clear baggies from Walmart. I already had those, so I did not buy those today. The first thing we're gonna do is pull out this from the front, put it away, and insert the cover of the little packet that comes with it, so you know what it is. I will probably also tear this off and then write All About Reading Level 1 with my label maker going down the side so I can grab it easily off my shelf. What goes in this folder is the All About Learning activity book pages. So I'm going to rip all of these out. I'm going to put them in sheet protectors. I'm actually going to go ahead and put a whole bunch of sheet protectors in this notebook, and then I'm going to rip these out and put a page in each sheet protector. So the reason I'm putting them in sheet protectors is so my kids can use a dry erase marker and just write directly on the sheet protectors, and that way we can just erase it and reuse it for the next child. So that is what I am going to do now. When I come across a sheet like this that needs to be cut out, I'm going to go ahead and cut out those pieces. I'm going to put them inside this bag, and I may paper clip it to the side of the bag. I haven't decided yet. I may just stick it down in the sheet protector, but that is what the baggies are for. I think I've actually decided not to waste a whole bunch of baggies when I feel like I can just stick these right down in here and it will work just fine. wanted to mention really quick while I'm thinking about it that if you guys want to purchase anything all about reading, please use my link below. It helps me so much. And also, I realized as I was doing this, I think what I'm gonna do is put everything I need for one lesson inside one sheet protector. Okay, so like this will be lesson 1, this will be lesson 2, and that way I can just I could even pull out just the whole sheet protector out of this notebook when we need to do a lesson. So I think that that's what I'm gonna do. Man, guys, this is a lot of work, but I'm actually getting really excited about it because it is so hands-on, and for my kinesthetic learner, I just think this is gonna be perfect for him, and he is gonna love it so much. He's already been down here cutting stuff, helping me, and he was talking about how excited he is about it. And I think what I'm gonna do though, I prepped all of the lessons up to lesson 24, and I'm tired. So I may do like a little bit along the next few weeks before school starts. Where I put the sticky note is where I need to finish prepping. And then what I'm gonna do now is just go through and pull out the pages and stick those in there. And I'm not gonna worry about cutting every single thing out because I just don't have time to finish all of that today. But I feel good that I've got at least the first 23 lessons totally prepped and ready to go. Okay guys, so this is done. I'm gonna just trash this because I really don't need it for anything. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is grab all the phonogram cards and the word cards, and I am going to pull them apart. They're perforated just like those other pages were. And then I'm gonna put them into this box. And from my understanding, you put the box comes with these little handy dandy dividers, and the yellow cards need to go behind the future lessons for the yellow tabs, and then the green cards need to go behind the future lessons for the green tabs. So that's what I'm gonna work on now. Another really cool thing about this box is that it comes with these little foam pieces that keep your cards from sliding everywhere. So I think that is such a smart idea. Wow, that was a lot of work. I am really glad I got that accomplished today. It feels so good. I feel like I've got some good momentum going now, and so the rest of this school year's prep should be really smooth after this. So we've got all about reading prepared. We are ready for the new school year, and I hope that this helped you and gave you some good ideas. If nothing else, maybe got you motivated a little bit to start your homeschool prep. And I hope you guys will give this video a thumbs up before you leave and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you back here next time. Bye, guys.